Hi kids! Are you ready for some gooey, squishy fun? We're going to make slime. Slime is super cool. You can poke it, you can stretch it, you can even make it bounce. Are you ready to get slimed? Let's go! Making slime is easy and fun. We just need a few things. And don't worry, it's not messy at all. Just kidding, it's going to be a little messy, but hey, that's part of the fun, right? Just remember to ask a grown-up for help if you need it. Before we start, let's gather everything we need. It's like getting ready for a super secret mission. But instead of spy gear, we have slime supplies. White school glue, this is the heart of our slime. We need a big bottle for supersized slime. Liquid starch, this magic potion will make our slime thick and gooey. Food coloring, let's add some color to our slime. What's your favorite color? Glitter, optional. Because everything is better with glitter, right? A big bowl. This is where the slime magic happens. A spoon, for stirring up our gooey concoction. Measuring cups, we need to be precise with our slime ingredients. Got everything? Great. Now wash those hands and let's get sliming. Alright, slime cadets, are you ready for some action? Let's follow these simple steps. Step 1. Pour the entire bottle of glue into the big bowl. That's right, the whole thing. Step 2. Now, add half a cup of liquid starch to the glue. It's like adding magic potion. Step 3. Stir, stir, stir. Mix the glue and starch together until it starts to become gooey. Step 4. Time for color. Add a few drops of your favorite food coloring, or mix different colors for a rainbow slime. Step 5. If you want some sparkle, sprinkle in some glitter. But be careful, too much glitter can make your slime less stretchy. Step 6. Keep mixing and kneading the slime with your hands until it's smooth and stretchy. It might be a little sticky at first, but keep going. Congratulations, you made slime. Now go show it off to your friends. Slime is awesome, but it's important to play safe. Always wash your hands before and after playing with slime. Don't eat your slime. It might look yummy, but it's not food. If you get slime on your clothes, ask a grown-up to help you clean it up. And most importantly, have fun. Fun fact: did you know that slime is a non-Newtonian fluid? That means it acts like a liquid and a solid at the same time. Cool, right? Now go out there and create some amazing slime.